everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is William Murphy with Magna Realty. Today we're off to preview a brand new listing in the city of Lauderhill. Contains a simple lobby. All right, everybody, we've arrived. We're going to take a quick look at this fantastic little unit. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, this is the unit. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It's been completely remodeled. It's a fantastic size. This obviously is the main living and dining room area. We'll move around to this lovely kitchen with full granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Take a look at the large 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Have a nice vanity with a marble top, full knockdown texture, high hats, and a large shower area, fully tiled. This is one of the few units that does have its own washer and dryer inside the unit. That is a rarity in this entry-level price range. It's a nice addition. Let's take a look at the large master bedroom. You do have the wood floors, laminates that carry throughout the house, and you have tile in the kitchen and bathrooms. You have a nice, lovely patio and view off the master bedroom. This patio also accesses off the living room itself. You have a view of the rest of the community. Community is a mature community with lots of mature trees. Every unit comes with an assigned parking spot. Do have some beautiful nature as well. See if I can get a shot.